Every single month, millions of people wake up feeling safe, not because life is safe, not because the world is predictable, but because they believe one sentence: I have insurance. That sentence feels powerful. It feels protective. It feels responsible. But what if I told you that this single belief has quietly destroyed more families than accidents, than diseases, than natural disasters? This video is not here to scare you. This video is here to wake you up. Because one insurance mistake, just one, can silently drain your savings, steal your peace, and change your future forever. Stay with me. Do not skip. What you are about to hear is something insurance companies never want you to understand. Insurance looks harmless. A small monthly payment, a friendly agent, a thick document full of words most people never read. Nothing feels dangerous. Life goes on. Work, family, plans, dreams. And then one day, without warning, life hits. An accident, a medical emergency, a sudden disaster. That is the moment insurance shows its real value, or its real betrayal. Because insurance is not tested when everything is fine. Insurance is tested on the worst day of your life. Let's be honest. Most people don't choose insurance. They choose price. Low premium feels good. Low premium feels smart. Low premium feels safe. Your brain loves short-term comfort. It hates long-term thinking. Insurance agents know this. That's why they don't talk about the future. They talk about monthly cost. They don't explain risk. They explain discounts. They don't ask, what happens if something goes wrong? They ask, how cheap do you want it? And slowly, very slowly, people stop asking the right questions. They ask only one, how much does it cost? That question has destroyed more financial lives than any accident ever could. Insurance is not sold using logic. It is sold using psychology, confusing language, long documents, urgency. The more confusing something is, the fewer questions people ask. The fewer questions people ask, the easier it is to sell. Most people don't understand insurance. They feel embarrassed to admit it. So they nod, they sign, they trust, and companies profit from silence. Because silence is profitable. Let's talk truth. Insurance companies do not make money by paying every claim fully. They make money by limiting payouts. Cheap insurance follows a simple formula: low premium, reduced coverage, high deductibles, hidden exclusions. Everything looks perfect until you file a claim. Cheap insurance is designed to look attractive, not to protect deeply. Every insurance policy, no matter where you live, is built on 3 pillars: coverage, deductible, limits. Coverage decides what is included. Deductible decides what you pay first. Limits decide how much the company will ever pay. Cheap policies weaken these pillars, sometimes one, sometimes all 3, and when even one pillar breaks, protection collapses. Deductible is one of the most dangerous words in insurance because it is rarely explained clearly. Deductible means how much money you must pay before insurance helps you. High deductible means high pain. Cheap insurance loves high deductibles because most people never calculate what that number really means during an emergency. Now listen carefully. This is not a movie story. This is a real-life pattern. A man, a regular job, a family that depends on him. He buys insurance, the cheapest one available. The agent smiles and says, "Don't worry, you are fully covered." Months pass. Everything feels fine. Then one night, an accident. Hospital. Emergency. Bills rising fast. He calls the insurance company. They sound polite, very polite. Then the words start coming. Deductible applies. Exclusion clause. Coverage limit reached. At the end, insurance pays a small part. The rest, savings, loans, stress. That man did nothing wrong. He trusted the system. The system failed him. Wrong insurance does not just cost money. It costs peace. It costs sleep. It costs dignity. Savings disappear. Debt increases. Relationships suffer. And the most painful part? People blame themselves. But the truth is simple. They were never truly protected. Be careful if a policy has extremely low price, unclear coverage explanation, long exclusions, no simple deductible breakdown. These are not benefits. These are traps. Smart people pause. They ask 3 questions before buying or renewing insurance. What is not covered? How much do I pay before insurance helps? What is the maximum payout? If answers are unclear, They walk away. Because clarity is protection. Insurance is not about saving money. It is about avoiding destruction. The cheapest policy is often the most dangerous. The right insurance is the one you understand. Policy Truth exists to help you avoid expensive mistakes. No selling, no promotions, only clarity. Subscribe if you want truth, not sales talk. This video is for educational purposes only. We do not provide insurance or financial advice. Any resemblance to real cases or policies is coincidental.